Clouds and maybe some sprinkles by later this evening. It's dry right now, but lots of clouds are out there. Clouds and some rain tomorrow. I think we're looking at a day tomorrow when there's going to be a good chance for some light rain. And then warmer weather makes a return by Thursday and Friday, but only briefly. By the weekend, we're tracking a stronger cold front that will cool things off again later Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures right now are mainly in the 50s, 61 in a couple spots, or about 60 in Brownsville, 61 in McAllen. Most places stuck in the 50s and probably won't be changing much the rest of the day. High temperatures the rest of the day kind of holding right about where they are, maybe dropping a degree or two, but rain chance during the daytime only about 10% that there may be a sprinkle late this afternoon, but a little bit better chance later this evening and a better chance tomorrow, as I think almost everyone will see at least a little light rain, not a lot of rain, but some light rain on Tuesday. Wind speeds right now coming in from the north and northeast, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Not much of an increase expected today, but enough to make you feel a little bit cooler if you're out there. Satellite shows clouds everywhere, but so far dry weather around the area. And again, this should change by later tonight and tomorrow. I think tomorrow is our best chance for rain for the week as far as who gets rain. I think the most widespread rain chances are tomorrow, even though it will be fairly light. I mean, we're still talking about small amounts of rain, but thick clouds again tomorrow. Rain chances, if you kind of put it in pretty graph form here, we go from near 0% right now, here at around noon on Monday, to not much an increase through 6 p.m. Then after that, rain chances go up a little bit, about 20 to 30% by the time we get to midnight. And then after that, our highest rain chance up around 80 to 90% during the day tomorrow. But, you know, even though it's a high chance for rain, the amounts coming out of the clouds still looking pretty light. So there's a good chance you will see rain tomorrow, but not a good chance you'll see a lot of rain. Future track shows pretty much dry weather this afternoon. By 5 p.m., still cloudy skies, cool conditions, and you see by 9 p.m. keeps it pretty dry. Later tonight, though, you start to see the future track shows a couple sprinkles forming closer to midnight or later. And then during the day tomorrow, some light rain and drizzle around, probably most widespread during the daytime. You see by 11 a.m., future track has rain over most of the upper valley and kind of spreads across the area during the day. So again, there's a good chance you'll see rain tomorrow, but the key word there is it's going to be pretty light rain, not much total rainfall coming from the clouds. By the time we get to Wednesday, most of this is already on its way out, so there might be a couple of light rain showers or sprinkles in the morning, but most of Wednesday looks like some clouds around, maybe a few breaks by afternoon, and then by Thursday, we should be primarily dry. There's a slim chance for a sprinkle or two, but I think the clouds will try to break up a little bit by afternoon. Depending on how fast they break up, definitely makes a difference on how Thursday will turn out, whether it gets quite warm or kind of just sort of warm. But future track rainfall, you can see there's not a lot of rain expected through tonight at 10 p.m., which is almost nothing. And then all through the day tomorrow, the total rainfall amounts through Tuesday during the day will only come to maybe about a tenth to a quarter of an inch at the most. So, you know, there might be some quarter-inch rainfall totals, enough to moisten up the ground a little bit, but we're not expecting any heavy rain anywhere. And by Tuesday night, still not adding on much more than a quarter of an inch total. So 30% chance for sprinkles, but this is, most of this is late this evening. Daytime rain chances are very, very low. Tomorrow, good chance of light rain on and off most of the day, especially during the daytime, and then most of that dries up by Wednesday morning. So first 1-5 forecast today, highs near 57, clouds around, maybe a sprinkle or two out there, but by tonight down to 54 degrees and a better chance of maybe a few light sprinkles. But the first 1-5 70 forecast, by far tomorrow is the best chance for rain. Temperatures may not get out of the upper 50s tomorrow, and the light rain showers likely on Tuesday. Maybe one or two little showers scattered around through Wednesday morning, but after that, not much rain. Thursday, a small chance for a couple showers late in the day, but very, very, very low chance. We're talking like 10%. And highs on Thursday, some of the models say we may not get quite that warm if the clouds don't break up, but probably at least around 70, but going for close to 80 Thursday and Friday. And then a strong cold front comes through about midday Saturday. Saturday could start off warm, and then the front comes through with breezy conditions and colder weather by the weekend. Lows in the 30s Sunday morning and 50s in the afternoon. We'll keep tracking it in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.